Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. It's Divya Sahu. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about 5 foundations or top 5 foundations that are suitable for dusky skin tone or Indian skin tones. So if you're dusky, or if you are having a skin tone which is similar to me, or if you have darker skin tone, I'm damn sure you must have struggled a lot finding a foundation which would suit your skin tone. I remember when I was in high school, I used to participate in these annual dance functions, and there was a real struggle because there were only 2-3 brands and they used to provide only 2 or hardly 3 shades, and those shades were so light. I used to apply the foundation and it used to look so funny. It seemed like I have painted my face with white color or something. It used to look so scary, and at the same time it was really heartbreaking. I used to think like I would never ever get any kind of foundation which would suit my skin tone, and I used to think maybe I would never be able to use makeup, because a foundation is the base of our makeup, and if your base is not right, your whole makeup does get ruined. But luckily, nowadays the beauty industry is going through a revolution, and more brands are coming up with foundations having a wide shade range. So in this video, we are going to talk about top 5 foundations which have a wide shade range or have many shades, so that you can find your true match. Also, before starting the video, I would like to request you all to please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so that you don't miss out any of my videos, and you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first foundation I have is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is matte plus poreless, and oh my god, what can I say about this foundation? It is like the most favorite foundation of all the beauty bloggers out there. It is the top recommended foundation, and rightly so, because it is so inexpensive and the quality is A1. So it costs around rupees 350 or 400, like between 350 or 400, and I'm in the shade Warm Honey 322. Now talking about the consistency, it has kind of a thin consistency, but it is not too thin or not too thick. It is just the perfect consistency, so that it glides on your skin perfectly and it blends into your skin like butter. And also it is very lightweight and perfect for daily use. So if you are a beginner, or if you are a college going person, now because of pandemic obviously colleges are closed, but if you are a student, then it is perfect for daily use. It used to be my go-to foundation because of its quality. And so the next one we have is Maybelline Superstay foundation. It says 24-hour full coverage foundation. So it is like the high-end or pricey version of the Maybelline Fit Me I showed you before. It says full coverage, and yes, it is a full coverage foundation. The consistency is quite thick and it is matte foundation, so it will make your face or skin dry. And if you have dry skin, I will recommend to moisturize your skin thoroughly. Use a good amount of moisturizer before going for this foundation, because it does enhance your dry patches. But talking about the coverage, it has really good coverage. It stays on your face for a good amount of 16 hours. I have applied this foundation for important occasions. I went to a wedding wearing this foundation and it really stays. But the only thing is, it is quite drying, so make sure you moisturize your skin. And so the next one is my favorite foundation. We are talking about Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm in the shade Toffee Pecan. Now this foundation is really the best drugstore foundation out there. If you're looking for a full coverage foundation on a budget, then you must really go for this foundation. It says goodbye flashback, so it really eradicates or removes flashback. And if you need a foundation, or if you need a foundation to look good in photographs, then you must go for this foundation. It comes with a spatula applicator and it's really convenient. It makes it easy to apply the foundation on the face, and it is matte foundation, so you don't need to set your foundation. And if you have oily skin, it is really good for you, and it has a very nice shade variety, and also it's quite inexpensive. It cost around 350 or something. It is between 350 to 599. I got it for 350 and I just love this foundation. The only drawback of this foundation is it gives a very chemical paint kind of a smell, and it stays for like 2-3 minutes, but I am not sensitive to smell. If you are, then it might be a problem for you. Other than that, this is like really the best foundation. I love this foundation. So the fourth one is Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. So basically it is a foundation plus concealer. I love this foundation. I'm in the shade 09 Tan, but it is little pricey or costly, but it provides a very good quality. Now it is a high coverage foundation, but it is not matte. It is kind of illuminating foundation. So if you are looking for a foundation which gives you a nice glow or illuminating kind of effect, then you definitely must go with this foundation. It is very good for weddings and special kind of occasion. I love the fact that it comes with a pump and it makes it really easy to apply the foundation. The only thing is it's little costly, but if you're looking for a good foundation which has a very nice shade range, then you must go for this foundation. I love the packaging because it is quite posh. It looks quite posh, and yeah, I really love it. So the last one we have is NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. As the name says, it comes with a dropper, so you need to take as much drops as you want. If you want nice coverage, then you have to take more drops, and if you want sheer coverage, then you need to take less drops. Now it is a very good foundation. It is not high coverage at all. It is sheer to medium kind of coverage, and also it is quite pricey. It is for around $12.99 something, I don't know, and the quantity is quite less. When we talk about the price, the quantity that they give is quite less. And also I love the dropper. It looks kind of cute and nice, but the main drawback of this foundation is it oxidizes. I remember I got this foundation, I was quite excited and I tried it on. It looked quite perfect. When I applied it, it blended into my skin very nicely. It was perfect, and within 2-3 minutes it started oxidizing and I just turned orange. It was so funny and it looked so scary. I just turned orange. So yeah, that is like the biggest drawback. So if you're going for this foundation, I would recommend please go for at least 2 shades lighter or at least 1 shade lighter, because it oxidizes and within 2-3 minutes it will act upon the heat of your skin and it will really blend into your skin and will make your perfect shade. So please don't go for your exact match, go for 1 shade lighter. Other than that, it's a good foundation. I mentioned it because it has a very nice shade variety, but it is quite pricey, and yeah, that's the biggest drawback. And so guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then please like this video and also share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so that you don't miss out any of the videos. I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care.